Hey friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with my DEK subscription box. I'm super excited. I took it out of the envelope. I've not opened anything. I've not looked at anybody's stuff. It's you and me. So let's get in it, okay? All right. So as you guys know, our subscription box is gone to an envelope, but it also is reinforced with a piece of cardboard, so it helps keep it safe. And I so appreciate it because I love these little envelopes that she does a different kind of one as she goes through it, and I love these. So, all right. So it says, "We wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We hope the contents of this subscription will brighten your pages during this holiday season. May the true spirit of Christmas shine in your heart and light your path. Stay safe, sane, and well planned. Don, Emily, and Katie, XOXO, Don, Emily, Katie, which is DEK of DEK Design." So absolutely charming, super sweet. I save these and find a way to use them. I know. That's a paper crafter for you. Okay, so first off, just going to pull everything out and show you guys. I absolutely love when these come in any kind of envelope or bag. And the reason why is I'm able to put all my December in one of those, and it just makes it so much easier. I can project it separately. And so I love these bags. And she's done the zipper bags, these button bags, all kinds of things. So I love, love, love that she does it in these bags. So, okay, what's in my hand is washi. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Whoops, I got that, I think, upside down. So I've got the typical DEK bow, and then I've got these gorgeous flowers, and I've got the silver foiling. Sorry, my daughter's going in and out. It got cold last night, but the guineas are getting big enough they need to go out, and two of them got a little chilled, and so she's bringing them back and forth and putting them under heat lamps. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. That is so stinking cute. So here's a darling pin. You can't see. There's a little Santa there. So cute. All right. Ooh, what is this? Oh, I love this. Wow. All kinds of stuff this time. All righty. Let me see here. Okay. Pull this. I'm going to use that card. Ooh, I love these. So I will very carefully pull those off, and I will use both of those in a junk journal probably, or scrapbooking. And then I love that little piece of holly. How pretty. Oh my goodness, how pretty. I love that, and I love the paper too. Okay, now I'm going to set that to the side. Oh my goodness, are those our sticky notes? Oh, I love them. How sweet. Guys, I'm just a country girl. We live in the country, and I love this. This is just so sweet. So I don't know if I've ever told y'all this, a little story as we go. So my sister somehow in her mind thinks that I was a huge Donny Osmond fan, which I wasn't. Not a Donny Osmond fan, but I went to the Houston rodeo one year and the Osmonds were playing. So anyways, somewhere in her mind, she thinks I'm a Donny Osmond fan. But the hilarious thing is when we were growing up, there was the Donnie and Marie show, and she would sing that song, "I'm a little bit country," and he would sing, "I'm a little bit rock and roll." So I'm the country one, and she's more the rock and roll. So anyways, but and I love Marie Osmond. I think their family is incredibly talented. But so a few years ago, I think it was right after it was the first Christmas with one of our parents. She gave me a gift, and it was a Donnie and Marie doll. And she hadn't noticed, and I think they were missing their hands or their feet or something. It was just hilarious. She ordered them off of eBay. She thought she was so funny. And I was just like, a Donnie and Marie Osmond doll. Wow. It was really cute. But anyways, I'll eventually have them at my cottage. But it was hilarious. She tickled herself with that. And so, anyways, but I'm a little bit country. She's a little bit rock and roll. So I like all music. So anyways, I love this. Oh my gosh, look at that. I can't. Wow. That is just super neat. I absolutely love this. Aw. So my grandchildren that our daughter and son-in-law have, their theme is always woodland forest creatures. And so that makes me think of them. So both our granddaughters. So very pretty. Okay. Love, 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 love. Love the pocket and love what Dawn put inside this book. Look at that. That's going in my Christmas book this year. Oh my gosh, yes. I love ephemera. It totally floats my boat. Of course, if you don't know, let's see. Usually these are stickers. So let me see. I thought I felt it here. Just one second. Let me check. Oh no, this is like real cardstock ephemera. Love it. Now these are stickers. I can feel that. So you can see that. That one's a sticker. Oh, I just love that. So sweet. I love the bells on it and the bow. Super cute. And then that is another sticker with a planner. I absolutely love that. Wow. Dawn is just hitting this out of the pocket this month. Oh my goodness. So, all right. And these are fantastic pockets. They're stickers. You pull them off and you can put them in your journals, in your planners, wherever you're needing them. So super fun. Oh my gosh. This is Christmas. This is Christmas, guys. Besides the December kit, it's Christmas. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, I don't know if Tricka made these, but wow, because I know one of the girls on the PR and design team, she has her own shop, and these are gorgeous, and I love that paper. Oh, I'll use that paper, but super, super pretty. Oh, anything blingy. Okay. So I've been trying to do the paper first. So let's do the paper and then we'll peek at the stickers. Okay, let's see here. Because I'm such a paper hound. I love that. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And I love pink at Christmas. I don't know why. I'm a pink girl, so that's probably it. But seriously, yeah. I love this. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay. Ooh, I saw something else. Oh, I love that plaid. That just makes me think of like cranberries and I don't know. But ooh, I love that. I cannot wait to use that. Ooh, look at this gorgeous vellum. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Okay, and then there's the green and mint. And oh my gosh, I love that. Wow. Way to go. I love this. And I love roses and poinsettias. Oh, and the candy cane stripe. Okay, guys. That is a total score on the paper. I'm going to have a hard time wishing I had two kits because I love all the paper. Yes, I know. Okay. So let me put this up here. And I guess we'll start going through all the sticker pouches. So let's go with this. These are the quarter sheets. And I'm already seeing stuff that I already love, love, love. Okay, now, let's see here. Oh my gosh, look at these. So these are clear over, oh no, they're white. They're on white. Okay. I love the corners. I love those corners. Wow, that would be so cute in your scrapbooking as it would be in anything. Look at these red foiled boxes. It makes me think of a pillow, but it's also a banner. So super cute. Look here. Oh no, the December sub. Oh, these are so cute. Decorate tree, plan Christmas menu. Oh my gosh, these are the to-dos. I love it. Yay. I absolutely love that she does all the Decembers because I do so many planners. And I just love all the swatches of the paper. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, so here's the monthly. Let's look at that first, and then we'll look at the other goodies. So I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving. This is Tuesday for me. As soon as we got back, we had to be gone all day Monday. My husband is up in Austin today. I didn't opt to go with him because I just had to catch up here. I had grocery orders I had to pick up. I had mail. I had things, phone calls. I just had to catch up a little bit. And then tomorrow I continue deep cleaning this room. And then Friday we're decorating. He's thinking he's going to take off. So look at December. I love that. So beautiful. All the silver. I love the Merry Christmas, New Year's, Christmas, Holly Jolly. Oh, and then all the different payment things. I love the Noel on the Christmas tag. Super cute. Super, super cute. Okay, here is the monthly. Absolutely adore this. I love that paper. So that print is fabulous. It's just fabulous, don't you? When you're my age, I remember hearing people say that in a funny way. So sorry, but it is fabulous. Oh my gosh. Don't you love that? Ah, okay. Ah, I've had some favorites in the past, but I think this is really one of my favorites. I was going to go with a red and green theme that was the darker, more traditional colors. I may change all that because the kit alone for year, this year's Christmas book. I don't know. Christmas scrapbooking. So I don't know. I'm going to use all of this. Oh my gosh. I love this. I love the decoratives. Oh, the little snow globe. Love the little owl and the house and the tree again with the red car. Oh, and I love the fox. Okay, guys, this is amazing. Okay, here is your typical, kind of typical, not all monthly kits are this amazing, and this one is full. So here are the date dots. Of course, they're done in silver to match everything else. That is gorgeous. Can you see all that? This is the December subscription box. Guys, sign up now. If you want one of these for January, sign up now. There are only a few spots left. They sell out quickly, and I have half a mind to start getting 2 of these because, doggone it, these are so gorgeous. Oh my God, I love that. Oh my gosh, this is just amazing. I love that. The little sweater bow. Ah, look at the tray. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Oh, and I love she's continuing with these. And there's my favorite scallops and the eyelet scallops more. Ooh, 2 banners. I love that. Our pennants. Love all the work stickers. So great. Look at all of these. Guys, gorgeous. Okay. Absolutely gorgeous. I adore this. I've got all the list, priorities, however you want to use them. I use these for my menus, just for information. And then these are just written word headers that I love. I love that. Oh, look at the washi. This is Merry Christmas. Oh, and I love this. Seriously. Oh my goodness. Oh, look, she gave us extras. I love the days of the week. This helps so much. Guys, if you do your planner throughout or if you do a bujo, this is so helpful. I can't say that enough. This is so helpful. I love it. Okay, and even if you don't do a bujo, you can still use them in like your classic happy planners or any happy planner, your RSL, your even your Hobonichis. Oh my gosh, aren't those girls so sweet? Now, when I wear my hair up, I wish I could look that cute. I just don't look that cute. Matter of fact, today I tried to put my hair up on top, and my hair's got almost to my, it's really long. When it's wet, it's almost to my waist. So I think I'm going to have to start cutting it. I'm getting too old for it. But anyways, thank you, COVID. These are gorgeous. Look at all these decoratives. Oh, so pretty. I love, oh, look. So pretty. I absolutely love this. Super. Ah, goodness gracious, guys. How do you pick one favorite thing in this amazing, amazing kit? Seriously, that is a lot of bang for your buck. I'm going to tell you right now. So, if you are signed up for the subscription kit, would you leave a message below and tell me what you're doing with your kit? Are you using it in scrapbooking? Are you using it in your planner? Are you using it in your Bible journaling? Are you using it in your, like I said, scrapbooking memory planner, anything like that? I would love to know. Next year, I'm really praying through how I want to do memory keeping because now I have 2 grandbabies. I know. I get to be with them. So, this grandmother's going to wear out the cameras. Yes, I am. I know. I'm an obnoxious grandmother. I take tons of pictures. And doesn't this look like little girls? I know. I know. So, a newborn and a 2-year-old. I am spoiled rotten. I'm telling you right now. So, okay, guys, my head is spinning with how I'm going to use this. I'm serious. It's just spinning. I want another one. I need 2 of these kits. Oh, because I love to use one in scrapbooking and one in planning. It's gorgeous. And actually, I usually use one kit in all the things I've listed. I usually use it in some form of Bible journaling. I use it in scrapbooking or memory keeping or gratitude journal, whatever I'm doing. And then I also use it in all my planning as well. So, okay, friends, come back. You'll get to see me use some of this in the December, and I'm absolutely loving it. So, all right, friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you for stopping by. Again, this is the DEK Design subscription box. This is the December. That ship has sailed, but if you want to get in on the January, please, please, please go right now and sign up. Put KRIS in the comment box. You can't use the discount on this because it's already amazingly priced. And you really get a lot for your money in these. I mean, think about this. Pen, lots of gorgeous things, ephemera, pocket, washi, sticky notes, gorgeous two-sided paper, beautiful quarter sheets for extra fun, extra goodies, and then this humongous set of planner stickers from month to dailies. This is insane. So seriously, when you do this, wow, you can do lots with your subscription kit. So anyways, highly recommend it. All right, friends, I'll be talking to you soon. I pray you're getting a really good start to your December, that your days are lovely right now. Here we've got gorgeous weather, and I just hope that for each one of you. And I hope you have a blessed and wonderful December. And yeah, let's just keep focus on what this time is all about. All right. Okay, friends, I'll be talking to you soon. Love y'all. Be safe. And yeah, talk to you later. Bye-bye, y'all.